When you taste this homemade bread, you'll never buy store-bought again. We start by adding 100 grams of sugar, 15 grams of yeast, and 200 milliliters of milk to a bowl. Mix it with a whisk. Then add 2 eggs, salt to taste, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Beat well. Now add 450 grams of flour. Give it a quick stir to combine everything. Next, we'll start kneading the dough by hand. And this is how it should look. Let's cover it with plastic wrap, wrapping the dough like this, and let it rise for about an hour. 1 hour later, look how much our dough has risen. Now let's move it to the countertop. Spread some flour and roll out the dough. For our portion, we cut it into 3 parts like this. Then we roll each piece with a rolling pin like this. Start rolling it halfway. Now we'll make these parallel cuts to shape it. Then just finish rolling it and it should look like this. Prepare a round baking pan greased with flour and butter, and place the dough like this, circling the pan. Cover it again with plastic wrap and let it rest for another hour. The dough looks absolutely beautiful. Now we'll brush the top with an egg. Bake it for 30 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. And look at this spectacular bread. Time to enjoy. I hope you liked this culinary journey with us. Leave your comments about what you thought of the recipe. Click like if you're ready to try it, and of course, subscribe for more recipes like this one. Thanks for joining us and see you next time.